If you want to customize the header section in Hostinger Website Builder, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step so you can change the look, layout, and style of your website header with confidence. Whether you want a sticky header, a cleaner logo placement, social icons, or a custom button, this is the easiest way to make your header match your brand. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account at hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Websites. Then find the website you want to edit and click Edit Website next to your domain. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder and take you into the editor. Now that you're inside the builder, we need to open the header settings. Go to the top section of your page and click directly on the header area on the canvas. Make sure the header itself is selected. Once it is, a floating action bar will appear. From there, click Edit Header to open the Header Settings side panel. Inside the header settings, you'll see several tabs and options that let you fully control the header layout and appearance. Let's start with the Layout tab, because this is where you can define how your header behaves on the page. If you want your header to stay visible as visitors scroll, turn on Make Header Sticky. This is a great option for navigation, because it keeps your menu accessible at all times. Below that, you'll see sliders for element spacing, link spacing, and top and bottom spacing. These controls help you fine-tune the distance between your logo, navigation links, and overall header padding. If your header feels too crowded, increase the spacing a little. If it feels too large, reduce it until it looks clean and balanced. Scroll further down in the Layout section and choose a header alignment preset that works best for your design. This lets you decide how your logo and navigation links are positioned across the header. For example, you may want the logo on the left and the navigation on the right, or a centered layout depending on the style of your website. Pick the preset that gives your header the most professional look. Next, click the Elements tab. This is where you can turn specific header elements on or off. If you want your logo displayed, make sure Show Logo is enabled. If you want to make changes to the logo settings, click Edit Logo. You can do the same for social icons by turning Show Social Icons on or off, or by clicking Edit Social Icons if you need to adjust them. If your header includes a call to action button, you can manage that here too. Turn Show Button on or off depending on whether you want the button visible. If you want to change the button text or link destination, click Edit Button. This is especially useful if you want the button to lead to a contact page, booking form, product page, or any other important location on your site. Now let's move to the Logo tab. Here, you can choose between an image logo or a text logo, depending on how you want your brand to appear. If you already have a logo file, click Replace Image to upload your brand logo. If you don't have a logo yet, you can even click Use AI to create a unique logo directly in the builder. After uploading or selecting your logo, use the Logo Width slider to adjust the size. This is important because your logo should be visible without overpowering the rest of the header. Make it large enough to stand out, but not so large that it disrupts the layout. Once your logo is set, click the Style tab to customize the look and color of the header. At the top, you can switch between normal and hover states. This allows you to style the default appearance and the hover interactions separately, which helps your header feel more polished and interactive. From here, you can change the header background color to match your branding. If you want a more modern transparent look, you can also enable the transparent header toggle. This works especially well on hero sections with strong background images or gradient designs. You can also customize the text font and header text color. If you want deeper control, use the Edit Text Styles option to fine-tune the typography. A good font choice can make your header easier to read and can help your website feel more consistent and professional overall. Once you're happy with the design, make sure to save your work by clicking the Publish or Update Website button in the top right corner of the editor. This is the final step that pushes your header changes live, so visitors can see them on your website. And that's how to customize the header section in Hostinger Website Builder. You can now adjust the layout, elements, logo, and style to create a header that looks clean, branded, and professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more website builder tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to customize next.